make this record stand, we're going to do the top, and I've got a 4x8 sheet of whatever kind of plywood, MDF board you want to use, and this is how we cut it. This is our 4x8 sheet of plywood, and we're just going to cut this into 4 strips, which is going to be 2x4. So we're going to make these cuts here, here, and here. So just divide this into 4. We're going to have 4 2 feet by 4 feet. Okay? Pieces of wood. Now we're going to take one of these and cut it again. So then you'll have 1x4. Okay? One of these 2x4s, and we're going to cut it this way. Alright? Those are going to be our sides. Alright? So those become our sides. In the video, you're going to see me cut these like that. Okay? That's going to be part of the side, which I'll show you. Okay? Split that right down the middle in half because these are going to be your sides. Okay? Got that? And we take one of these. I'm just going to take this, and we're just going to put it on the bandsaw here, or this circular saw, whatever, and then just splice it right down the middle in half. All right? These will then be our sides. Okay? Nail gun didn't work, so I screwed this together. So basically what I did was, where am I? Here we go. I actually set this piece up right here, and then supported this piece. Just figure out something to rest it on, so that it doesn't flip down. And then basically all I did was put some holes in, and then screwed it in, and held it and screwed it at the same time to get this top piece supported. And once that was on, then I could take my other 2x4 and rest it on the ground, and then go ahead and screw that in. So I screwed those in, and I just put some nails in there, and so far it's nice and sturdy. And then we can go ahead and put the other side on.